Hi, in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make video with pictures and music in Instagram. Follow these easy steps and the process will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and open your Instagram app and just tap on this plus icon at the bottom. And now we have to select here Reel. And now to select multiple pictures from your phone gallery, enable multiple selection, and now go ahead and select those photos you want to make a video using, and then just tap on next. And now it's time to add a music to the video, so you can select any suggested audio, or to search for a specific music you can use this search music icon. So I'm going to selecting this music for example, and now just tapping on next, and it may take some time to process the video. Once finished, here we can see the result. A video has been successfully created with multiple pictures and music. I muted the music because of copyright issue. And now to add this video into your Facebook post, first of all you have to download this video, or you can directly post this video in your Instagram reel by tapping on next. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.